Sales planning is a data-driven and collaborative process that enhances sales performance management by improving sales execution and operational efficiency. Although companies need to set quotas and align territories and accounts faster than ever, 40% of executives rely on instincts when setting quota targets. Skewed targets can cause two problems. Either many sales reps don't meet them. In fact, a popular study indicates overly aggressive quotas prevent upward of 60% of reps from reaching their targets, or reps easily meet targets, causing large commission payouts. Sales organizations may struggle to set actionable, realistic quotas to motivate and retain top talent while driving sales, quickly change quotas and territories to respond to unexpected market conditions and dynamics, and sever reliance on error prone and inefficient spreadsheet based processes to handle sales activities. Sales organizations often need more accurate forecasting and better modeling to analyze different quota planning scenarios to better drive sales and the business. Sales planning addresses these challenges to optimize sales performance management. Quota planning is an extensible, reliable way to set and analyze data driven, intelligent quotas using best practice methodologies and by engaging key participants such as sales operations, sales management, generalist sales, and specialist sales. With quota planning, you can unify, structure, and manage the quota planning and allocation processes, improve modeling and analysis, and drive sales while motivating and rewarding top talent. Quota planning provides three best practice methodologies. Top down centralized, where an overall quota target based on forecast data is allocated down to the lowest hierarchy level. Top down waterfall, where an overall quota target is allocated step by step through each level of the hierarchy so regional or business sales leaders can set and manage quotas at their level. And bottom up, so sales reps can propose quotas for their accounts that they collaboratively review and adjust with their managers. You can perform bottom up planning after top down planning. Also provided are quota optimization tools such as organization wide padding so you can modify quotas in anticipation of known or possible risks. Three types of adjustments: product to modify quotas to plan for portfolio changes, account to modify quotas if historical data doesn't reflect customer potential, and seasonality and period to reflect consumer and sales trends. And primary and overlay targets by territory or hierarchy to manage core targets and targets for supporting teams. For enhanced modeling and analysis, use the predictive time series statistical modeling and what if analysis to compare scenarios, and analytics such as dashboards to support planning, attainment, and to measure sales performance. To get started, have an administrator load last year's bookings and actuals. Then set targets based on a year-over-year growth rate using predictive planning values or the result of a scenario analysis. Next, push targets and allocate quotas for your planning method. Top-down centralized to allocate downward across the organization, top-down waterfall to allocate downward level by level, or bottom-up to allow sales reps to submit quotas to their managers that are reviewed, adjusted, and aggregated upward. Then pad and adjust quotas by account, customer, and seasonality, and compare plans to finalize target quotas. Let's explore quota planning in a sample application. To get started, load, calculate, and adjust last year's bookings and average bookings per representative to specify year-over-year growth for all reps and territories. You can also specify targets by running a prediction and using the predictive planning values or using the results of a scenario analysis. Sales managers then allocate targets across their teams or territories using the planning method. We'll explore top-down waterfall and bottom-up. In top-down, allocations are pushed from top to bottom level by level where they are aggregated. Then, targets can be adjusted for individual sales reps by product, by account level, and by seasonality and period to include consumer and sales trends and holiday seasons. In bottom up, Sales reps review the final top down quota and commit to targets that they propose for their accounts. Managers then review the targets and can adjust them by account, product, seasonality, and period. Use the provided dashboards at any time to analyze your quota plans, such as comparing the bottom up and top down plans to identify final quotas. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.